Manipur University Authority na non-teaching recruitment process lawda CRR si visitor ne tawjabadi CRR non-teaching process asi tawya de haba university dagi 2021 da letter ma thakba lailabasu Ministry of Education dagi 2023 gi May tang manga da CRR si approve tawjabadi visitor ne approve tawjabadi non-teaching recruitment process sa tawya de haba University Authority da directive on break balay haiba layba directive break balay basu non-teaching recruitment process ase makha tawhi amadi reason out oiki amna layba thi badi tathakiba recruitment process amadi out okiba result asida aji oiba Manipur University sigi vice chancellor gi kusabi oja khara amadi employment khara gi mari mata amadi masa sing thaba asida khanjel patheng ki haiba non-teaching recruitment process asigi matangda high court case ama thangatki haiba thangatkiba case asigi makha tarda ngarang February gi tang 2026 ta high court of Manipur stay order thoki stay order si chathaki recruitment process asi niyong iwang da chathaki amadi masi makha ta ba process court gi oiba process asi lo hawa recruitment process asigi appointment letter amadi khata ba processing pumba tawdana ba directive ama piki haiba directive asi pirakiba high court honorable chief justice M Sundar who kangai pasina resuan case ma kai dagi haninga ita thakat phongu chari amadi makha tarakba hearing singda summa gi lepi duna haiba non-teaching recruitment process ase ka kan haiba thajaba lu pasina thamjari